Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Kaspa price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis and looking at the all-time history for Kaspa. We're looking of course at a nice parabolic curve, of course with the price action here where we start to see some curvy wave, which it might start of course move toward the downside and then continue of course for higher prices. Now if you want to separate this or count this curve toward the upside, we have of course 1 2 3 4 5, finishing a wave 1 in the white count here and a wave 2 of course for the white count 1 2 3 4 5 to finish of course your wave 3 in the white count, final wave 4 for a correction, and 1 2 3 4 5 as an ending diagonal for your wave 5, finishing a wave 1 or a wave A. Very nice price action, moving explosively toward the upside with a profit from of course 0 to 114,000% of profit. Very nice for Kaspa. Now, if you take a look, of course, closer here at what happened after this impulse toward the upside, we would like to seek after three-wave corrective. The perfect fib time to finish a correction here is the 0.38 fib level, taken, of course, from this move toward the upside. This is a minimum requirement time, while your perfect time would be at the 0.618. Now, the minimum requirement, of course, time is on June 2025, while the perfect time would be in December 2025, finishing a wave 2 or a wave B and then a continuation to the upside. Now, how this, of course, correction might unfold, we would like to see, of course, three corrective waves somehow finishing here or here. So the scenario that we have here so far, of course, we have already finished an A, a B, and a C as a three-wave corrective. Now we got after it something like kind of like an impulse toward the upside. So probably we are looking to a zigzag here as three corrective waves and then continuation toward the downside, hitting the perfect, probably not the perfect, the minimum requirement time. Now, if this is gonna expand in a even sideways range, it might of course create a kind of a triangle or kind of W, X, and a Y for a triangle, and of course then moving toward the upside without even moving a little bit lower. However, preferably of course that we move lower for the 0.23 fib level, at least of course for a wave 2, where of course you want to reach a wave B or a wave 2. So I would suggest that this box, blue box, could be the perfect time to of course finish this correction for Kaspa. And then, of course, the scenario to move for higher is going back, of course, massively for a wave C or for a wave 3 toward the upside. So the things might look like 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, or a B, and a C zigzag toward the upside. So the targets, I would say now, if we get closer a little bit here, you can see, of course, after having this ABC here, we have an A, B, and a C, of course, finished. Let's put it exactly in the lower time frame. Here we go. It's even lower. Here we go. Now, we saw, of course, an impulse toward the upside, meaning, of course, probably we're getting, of course, kind of like a zigzag, maybe W, X, and a Y, because this looks also very choppy. I would suggest here, of course, that we might have one more wave up and then continuation to the downside. So basically, if we take here a target for a wave 1 or the 1-to-1 fib level, somehow like this, and then continuation to the downside, that would be a good correction, of course, path that we can have. So I'm looking for this. Exactly. And yeah, let's take it in red somehow because this is still corrective. So in a bigger view, this is what I'm looking for. This is going to be a perfect one to at least hitting the 0.23 and or an A, B, and a C, of course, for continuation to the upside. I would say the next target is 0.19 cent for Kaspa, as we can see exactly here. Now, if we also take a look here in this area, we have touched the 886, meaning, yeah, very low possibility to move as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because the 886, meaning we gonna take the low sooner or later, meaning it can go high and then take the low again passing of course this price. So I'm gonna remove these to keep it of course clearer that we just touched the 886 and we might come back soon or later. That was it for Kaspa. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comment and see you in the next one. Bye bye.